Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kaywana and I'm from a very small and beautiful island in the Caribbean, St.Vincent and the Grenadines. In today's video, I'm doing a spend the day with me in the kitchen edition. So I'm just going to show you guys what I do around the kitchen, cooking, cleaning, all of that good stuff. So the first thing I'm doing is washing the dishes and tidying up the kitchen on the whole. Now, I usually spend most of my weekends cooking and cleaning the kitchen, so I want to make sure I have a clean space to do any cooking, any baking, anything in general. Now that I'm finished doing the dishes, I'm going to thaw out this chicken for lunch. A tip that I've learned is to put a lot of salt on those frozen chicken, and it will help to thaw them out a lot quicker. Now while the chicken is being thawed out, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the countertops. So I've left the chicken to thaw out for about 30 minutes, and now that it's thawed out, I'm just going to wash them until the water is completely clear. So now I'm just cutting the wings into two, and I am someone who loves the fin on, so let me know in the comment if you take the fin completely off of your wings. I'm going to wash them because after cutting them there's still be blood from cutting them. So now I'm going to season the chicken, just a little bit of salt and some all-purpose seasoning and some black pepper. I later on added some fish seasoning to it, and I just mixed it up and let it sit out for a while until I'm ready to put it in the fry. So now I'm about to peel the potatoes and slice them, and I forget to let you guys know what I'll be making. I'm doing some french fries and fried chicken for lunch. So now I'm done peeling the potatoes. I'm going to show you guys how I cut them into fries. These are how the fries look once I'm done. I'm now gonna pour some hot water over them to help to cook them a little bit so they won't spend a lot of time in the oil frying. So I recently saw this trick on TikTok, and it's to get your chicken to not splat on you when you put it into the frying pan. So it's dipping. I have some seasoned flour here, and I'm just coating the chicken with the seasoned flour, dipping it in some water, and I took it a step further by re-coating the chicken in the seasoned flour, dip it in the water, shake it off, and then add it to the frying pan. It will not splatter on you. And also, sometimes when you fry with flour, some flour will fall off, and after a while you smell that burning in the frying pan, and it's not the chicken. This also prevents it, and it gives the chicken a delicious crust. So it's a win-win. So you guys try and let me know if you like it or not. While the chicken are frying up, I'm going to coat the fries in some flour. My fries always turn out shivery and soft but not crunchy. And so I saw this trick again on TikTok, and I tried it, and you guys will see how my fries are looking at the end. So I'm just coating it in some seasoned flour. This is the second batch of the chicken, and you guys can see the crust looks beautiful. So these are how the chicken are looking when they're done. So when it came to doing the fries, I did them in single layer, which means I didn't crowd the frying pan up. And these cooked for about a minute and a half to 2 minutes, and they were very crispy on the outside and cooked on the inside. And this is just a close-up of how they look, and this is my lunch, and I'm just giving you guys a taste test, and it was delicious. This is a couple hours later. I've had a nap, and it's time to tidy up the kitchen once again. So now I'm doing the dishes, and these are the dishes from making the lunch and also what we used to eat the lunch in. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see from me, and if you're enjoying my homely videos. And I'll see you guys in the next time. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.